I'm sensual by nature. It lives in my voice. It lives in my movement. It lives in my presence. I am sensual by nature. Sensuality lives in my breathing. It lives in how I take my time. It lives in how I hold my body. It lives in every graceful line. It lives within my warm expression. It lives within my eyes. It lives in how I move through silence. It lives in how I rise. My sensuality feels effortless. It moves through me like sound. It fills the space around my body. It makes each moment feel profound. I am sensual by nature. Softness lives within my way. Warmth and beauty move together through every night and day. I am sensual by nature. My presence carries glow. I am deeply, richly feminine. Sensuality freely flows. My voice carries gentle velvet. My laughter carries light. My eye contact feels warm and steady. My presence feels just right. My movement feels fluid and grounded. My posture feels refined. My beauty carries intelligence. My sensuality includes my mind. I savor fabric on my body. I savor fragrance in the air. I savor music, watercolor. Sensuality lives everywhere. I am sensual by nature. Softness lives within my way. Warmth and beauty move together through every night and day. I am sensual by nature. My presence carries glow. I am deeply, richly feminine. Sensuality freely flows. Soft voice, warm eyes. Sensual light begins to rise. Slow movement, golden air. Sensual beauty everywhere. My sensuality belongs to me. It enriches how I live. It brings depth into my presence. It adds pleasure what I give. I am sensual, I rest in. I am sensual, creating. I am sensual in my silence. I am sensual, celebrating. This energy feels natural. It is woven through my soul. I am sensual by nature. I am radiant, warm and whole. I am sensual by nature. Softness lives within my way. Warmth and beauty move together through every night and day. I am sensual by nature. My presence carries glow. I am deeply, richly feminine. Sensuality freely flows. Sensual by nature. Warm and bright. Soft in the morning. Deep through